What's something people don't know about the extinction of Neanderthals? I bet you didn't know that the extinction of Neanderthals, traditionally attributed to the superior intellect and technology of Homo sapiens, is a well-trodden path in human evolutionary studies. However, a new book proposes a startling reversal. It was not our intelligence, but rather our lack thereof, that doomed the Neanderthals. This theory suggests a complex interplay of survival, accidental consequences, and the brutal realities of ancient ecosystems. By positing that our ancestors might have been the dumber competitors, this theory invites us to reconsider not only our past, but also the very notions of intelligence and progress that we hold today. Contrary to popular belief, Neanderthals were not the brutish and primitive figures of our imaginations. Recent archaeological discoveries have painted a picture of a species capable of complex thought, emotion, and social interaction. They crafted sophisticated tools, perhaps practiced forms of art, and maintained their own survival for thousands of years amidst harsh climatic conditions. The evidence suggests that Neanderthals were far from intellectually inferior. They exhibited strategic thinking in their hunting practices and possibly had a form of language, indicating advanced cognitive abilities that challenge our understanding of what it means to be intelligent. The intriguing proposition that the intellectual inferiority of Homo sapiens contributed to the Neanderthal extinction comes from a reassessment of how these interactions might have played out. The theory suggests that early modern humans could have engaged in unsustainable practices and poor ecological management, which, while detrimental to both species, affected Neanderthals more drastically due to their smaller numbers and more specialized ecological niches. This perspective posits that the lack of foresight and planning by Homo sapiens, rather than their cognitive superiority, could have led to overexploitation of shared resources, pushing Neanderthals to the brink. The period marking the decline of Neanderthals saw significant environmental upheavals, including dramatic climate changes that reshaped the landscape of Europe and Asia. These changes would have impacted available resources, altering the competition dynamics between Neanderthals and Homo sapiens. Social factors also played a crucial role. The theory suggests that the intellectually inferior Homo sapiens might have engaged in more aggressive expansion and resource usage, unaware of the long-term consequences, thus destabilizing the balance more acutely for Neanderthals who had adapted to specific ecological niches. Genetic studies have revealed traces of Neanderthal DNA in modern humans, a testament to the fact that these two species did not only compete, but also cooperated and interbred. This genetic intermingling could have led to a dilution of distinct Neanderthal traits, gradually assimilating some of their unique adaptations into the Homo sapiens gene pool, which might have contributed to their decline as a distinct species. The implications are profound. The very act of interbreeding, driven by basic human instincts, might have been a double-edged sword, offering immediate benefits but ultimately contributing to the Neanderthal disappearance. Many experts argue against the new theory by highlighting the technological and cultural innovations of Homo sapiens, such as advanced weaponry and more complex social structures. These advancements, they claim, provided distinct survival advantages over Neanderthals, enabling Homo sapiens to adapt more effectively to changing environments and resource scarcities. While it is undeniable that certain technological innovations might have given Homo sapiens an edge, the new theory invites a deeper examination of how these technologies were used and the broader impacts they had on the ecosystem shared with Neanderthals. Another significant counterargument is the role of diseases and pathogens. It's hypothesized that Homo sapiens migrating from Africa brought with them diseases to which Neanderthals had no immunity. This biological invasion could have been catastrophic for Neanderthals, leading to widespread illness and death, independent of any intellectual capabilities or lack thereof. This hypothesis parallels the devastating impact of European diseases on indigenous populations in the Americas, underscoring the potentially accidental rather than intellectual nature of such interactions. Critics of the new theory also point to climate change as a crucial factor in Neanderthal extinction. They argue that the adaptability of Homo sapiens to diverse environments, facilitated by their technological innovations, allowed them to survive the harsher conditions that wiped out the Neanderthals. While climate change undoubtedly played a role, the new theory challenges us to consider how the behaviors of Homo sapiens, driven by their intellectual traits, interacted with these environmental changes to affect Neanderthals disproportionately. The proposed theory not only reshapes our understanding of past events, but also raises significant ethical and philosophical questions. It challenges the superiority complex of modern humans and forces us to reflect on the consequences of our actions, both past and present. Such a perspective fosters a more humble view of our species and emphasizes the interconnectedness and interdependence of all life forms, urging a reconsideration of how we engage with our environment and other species. The scientific community has met this new theory with both intrigue and skepticism. Critics argue that it oversimplifies complex ecological and evolutionary dynamics. However, its proponents commend it for challenging existing narratives and expanding the discourse around human history and Neanderthal extinction. This ongoing debate highlights the vibrant and evolving nature of scientific inquiry, where no theory is beyond question, and every claim sparks deeper exploration and understanding. This theory has permeated not only academic circles but also popular media, influencing how we narrate the story of human evolution in documentaries, novels, and exhibitions. It prompts a re-evaluation of the savage versus sophisticated trope often portrayed in discussions about our ancient relatives. By offering a counter-narrative, it enriches the cultural dialogue surrounding our origins, encouraging a more nuanced appreciation of the complexities of human and Neanderthal coexistence. The controversy and curiosity sparked by this theory underscore the need for further research. Future studies could focus on detailed paleoecological reconstructions, advanced genetic analyses, and interdisciplinary approaches combining archaeology, anthropology, genetics, and environmental science. Such research could provide clearer insights into the interactions between Neanderthals and Homo sapiens, offering a more comprehensive understanding of our shared history and its implications for modern humanity. The theory that intellectually inferior Homo sapiens contributed to Neanderthal extinction challenges long-held views and invites a re-examination of our past. It underscores the complexity of human evolution and the myriad factors, environmental, biological, and intellectual, that have shaped it. As we continue to uncover the layers of our past, this theory serves as a reminder of the intricate and often unexpected ways in which different factors can influence the course of evolution and the fate of species. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of our past, let's keep our minds open to all possibilities. I invite you to subscribe and join us on this fascinating journey of discovery. Let's continue to question, explore, and understand the intricate tapestry of human history together. Your engagement and curiosity make these explorations possible. Thank you for being part of this ongoing conversation about our origins and what it means to be truly human.